Hello everybody and welcome back to my mum's kitchen. I'm in my onesie. It's Winnie the Pooh. And I love it. It's very cozy. And I'm wearing it because it's cold. And what do we do when we're cold? We make lemon sorbet. And this time I'm using a recipe. There, that one. Sorbet de limone. From Jamie Oliver's Jamie's Italy cookbook. That's the recipe we are using today because I don't know how to make this. So we're making it and it is really easy. And I just really stuffed it up badly the last time I tried. So we're doing it properly today. So what do we need? Let's have a look. So what you need is 200 grams of flour, sugar. Hey Heather. You need 200 grams of sugar, 200 mils of water, 200 mils of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Yum. Zest of lemon, which we haven't got, or is it in there? Zest of a lemon. We forgot to do this bit. So the zest of a lemon. That bit. Okay. And then a heaped teaspoon of mascarpone. We don't have mascarpone, so it's cream cheese and some yogurt that my mum so nicely mixed together for me. Here we go, now she's zesting a lemon for me. Isn't she just the best? Onesie, 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 onesie. Okay, so what we need to do is put our sugar and water into this little pot here. Yeah, and we bring it to the boil. Sugar work, yay! My mum has reminded me of something. You have to put a dish in the freezer first to help this freeze nicely. So we've got a dish in the freezer, freezing, getting nice and cold, so this can freeze nicely. It just makes me think of those awful drinks that you drink for the Kentucky Derby. What are those things called? Okay, so it's getting nice and boily, pretty much boiling. And once you've brought it to the boil, you turn down the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Turn down the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Sorry, not for 15 minutes, for 5 minutes. Heather's not smart. Once that has simmered for 5 minutes, take it off the heat and let it cool for 15 minutes. Then we get to add all of our other stuff and make it delicious. So let's just let that cool for a bit and then we'll see you soon. Okay, so it's not sticking my fingers in there, that would be really dumb. It's cool enough to now add the other things. So what we do is add our lemon juice. And our zest. And our makeshift mascarpone. It's good. And we just give that a mix, a good old mix. So let's have a look what's going on in this pot, shall we? It's looking pretty nasty. Yeah, we just gotta keep stirring that until it's all combined. So this isn't like a proper lemon sorbet either, as Jamie Oliver has said himself. This is more of a sherbet because sorbet doesn't have dairy in it. I think I need a whisk for this. Don't know where my whisk is, so I shall use the parents' whisk. I think that's about as fully combined as I'm gonna get it. So let's have a quick taste. This is when we're supposed to taste. I like it. That tastes right. Bit sweet, but it's okay. Let's get the bowl. So I've got my pre-frozen dish and we are just going to pour our sorbet mixture in there, and then we pop it back in the freezer. Let me go do that. Okay, from this point on, you now check on it every hour, and when it's starting to freeze, you just kind of mush it up with a fork a little bit, and you do that every hour for about 3 hours, and then it should be good to go. Fingers crossed that this works. If it was just for me, I'd make it super sour because I love super sour things, but it's not just for me, so not making it super sour. All right, so I will see you later today when that sorbet is ready to go. Okay, see you then. Cheerio. Hello, we're back. I'm still in my onesie. It's warmer, but hey, look, the cows. I say, hey, look, the cows without showing you the cows. So I just film outside because it's nice out here. Blessing! Honey, go dinner. These are lemons. This is the lemon sorbet / sherbet, and I'm gonna have a taste because it's ready. It's been in the freezer while I've been working.
and I've just been playing Animal Crossing for like the past hour because I'm lazy. So let's give it a shot, shall we? Okay. That is yum. And I'm sharing it, but shh. No one knows I'm eating out of the bowl directly. I will once I've edited and uploaded this video and they bother to watch it, then sure. If I didn't have such sensitive teeth, it would be perfect. Look! A boodleberry. Hey, my baby boo. Oh, that was magic. That is really good. Good job, Jamie Oliver. Nice recipe, I like it. I'm gonna have a proper bowl of this. And that is that for this video. If you liked it, let me know. Leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about it down in the comment section below. And if you would like to support me, the Hollywog, who's now down here with her ball, Boo, and this channel, then please subscribe. All right, have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next video. Bye.